In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect BenQ Projector to iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can easily set up your BenQ Projector in conjunction with your iPad. Anything that you display on the iPad screen will be projected. So all that you have to do to set this up is to establish a physical connection between the projector and the iPad. Even if you have a projector besides BenQ ones, you can still follow these same instructions to get this done. So because the iPads lack an HDMI port, you will need the proper adapter. So the adapter can be found on places like Amazon, eBay, and so on. Just look for USB-C or Lightning to HDMI. So depending on the port that your iPad has, you need the proper adapter. Assuming that you have a modern one with a USB-C port, it's going to be USB-C to HDMI. It is going to be compatible with smartphones, iPads, and even MacBooks. So all that you have to do is plug this adapter into your smartphone or iPad. Then you can use an HDMI cable to establish a connection here. So if needed, plug the other end here for power. But to keep it simple, you plug the adapter into the iPad. And with the adapter connected into the iPad, you use a standard HDMI cable to connect the adapter and the projector together. It doesn't matter which HDMI port you choose as long as you establish a connection, and that's all you need. The HDMI cable, the adapter that I just showcased, and the projector will automatically mirror anything that you show on the iPad's screen. This should work with any iPad model as long as you get a Lightning to HDMI or USB-C to HDMI adapter to be used for this connection. And afterwards, you shouldn't need to download any application. As long as it is established, you can control it through the projector itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect BenQ Projector to iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.